Hi everyone, today we are making a creamy parsley risotto that's simple, elegant and packed with fresh Mediterranean flavor. It's comforting, colorful and of course this is easy to make. Let's go!
Well, for starting this parsley risotto, I want to boil water. Then I'm taking the parsley and I want to take the leaves. Of course, I want to keep the stem. I will use it later for the parsley stock. While I wait for it to boil, I'm going to peel a shallot. I'm going to chop it finely, and it's very important to chop it finely actually. And of course you can find all the ingredients into the description below. I put it into a plate. And then I put the parsley leaves into this saucepan and you let it boil during 2 to 3 minutes. We want to blanch it. It's very quick. Then you want to prepare a bowl of ice water. And then we take it. It's going to fix the chlorophyll. Beautiful. That's exactly what we want. It's going to color this risotto. I keep the water and then I put the parsley stems into it. It's going to perfume the water and we let it on low heat. It's better to cook the risotto with warm water. Speaking of which, I add a little olive oil into a large saucepan on medium heat. I add the shallot and we want it to be translucid, then it will last 2 to 3 minutes maximum. I add a little salt and take a look at the parsley stock. Yeah, it's green. I love it. Good for the shallot. And we are going to add the rice. It's a risotto rice, of course. You don't want to wash it actually. We want to keep it like this. We want to keep the starch, so it will make a creamy risotto. It will last 2 or 3 minutes maximum. And you want to stir it often. I add the white wine. I wait till it evaporates. I remove the parsley stems. Then it means we are about to cook the rice. And then we add 1 ladle at the time. We wait till the rice absorbs the water. And then we will put another ladle. It will last 20 minutes. And you want to stir it often. You want to release the starch. And in the meantime, we are going to make the parsley cream. We want to dry the parsley leaves. I put them into a small blender. A few drops of olive oil, and it's a match because the olive oil is green as well. And we mix it during 30 seconds, because you don't want to heat the parsley cream too much. Yeah, beautiful color. We have this color because we fixed the chlorophyll before, you know. So this is definitely bitter. And yeah, after tasting it, I need to add more olive oil. And now you can guess how herbaceous and fresh this risotto is. I wanted some fresh, you know, this is summertime. And yeah, it looks like the rice is ready. Very creamy. I add a bit of butter and some Parmesan, of course. Then yeah, you want to stir it quickly. That's how Italian guys make this creamy risotto, you know. Now I do the final seasoning. I add a little salt and black pepper. And you want to serve it right now. When I say right now, I really mean it. Because you want it creamy. And unfortunately, I had to wait 10 minutes because my neighbor was making too much noise for the video. But that's the same taste anyway. And that's it, a creamy, comforting risotto with a beautiful fresh parsley flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who loves Mediterranean cooking. See you in the next one. Bye!